Remote Gig Work 101. Explore lucrative online opportunities. Welcome to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving into the world of remote gig work, uncovering a plethora of opportunities that allow you to work from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking for virtual assistance roles, data entry gigs, or online tutoring, this video is your passport to the world of remote work. Part 1. Virtual assistance roles. First up, let's explore the world of virtual assistants. 1. Tasks and responsibilities. Virtual assistants handle a variety of tasks, from managing emails and scheduling appointments to conducting research for clients. 2. Platforms to find opportunities. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Remote OK often have a plethora of virtual assistance opportunities. Part 2. Data entry gigs. Now, let's talk about data entry gigs. 1. Skills required. Attention to detail and accuracy are crucial for data entry roles. These can include tasks like entering data into spreadsheets, databases, or content management systems. 2. Where to look for opportunities. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Freelancer often feature data entry gigs. Part 3. Online tutoring opportunities. For those with a passion for teaching, online tutoring might be the perfect fit. 1. Subjects and specialties. Online tutoring covers a broad spectrum of subjects, from academic tutoring to language learning or even music lessons. 2. Where to find tutoring opportunities. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, and VIPKid connect tutors with students globally. Part 4. Freelancing platforms and job boards. To discover a variety of remote gig opportunities, explore freelancing platforms and job boards. 1. Upwork offers a wide range of freelance jobs, including virtual assistants, data entry, and tutoring. 2. Fiverr, a platform where freelancers can offer their services in various categories, attracting clients from around the world. 3. Remote job boards. Websites like Remote OK, We Work Remotely, and Remote.co exclusively list remote job opportunities. Part 5. Skill development and certification. Before diving into remote gig work, consider honing your skills and obtaining relevant certifications. 1. Skill enhancement. Invest time in developing skills relevant to your chosen field, whether it's proficiency in a particular software, language, or subject. 2. Certifications. Some roles may benefit from certifications. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning and Coursera offer courses that can enhance your qualifications. And there you have it. A quick guide to kickstart your journey into the world of remote gig work. Whether you're exploring virtual assistants, data entry, or online tutoring, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the realm of remote work. Thanks for watching. And here's to your success in the world of remote gig work.